Hello everyone, this is the Strategic Airsoft Division, and today we played TDM El Grande at Elite Ops Airsoft. So what you have to do is flip the white switches on the yellow box that lights up the lights, and a buzzer sounds, and you win. And you notice the old setup with the camera. This is the last time I'll be using it. I got one more video after this, and everything's going to be the new setup. So I just want to thank you guys for reaching 10 subscribers. The fact that even one person subscribed to me means the world to me. And the fact that you guys are even watching my videos and liking them is awesome. So thanks everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you all at the end.
Oh, nice setup. All right, guys. Woo! Hey, we're gonna rush this side. There are white walls on that side. All right, hey, who's defending? Who's defending? Wait, hey, PQB's rushing that way. We should get this way.
Lungs will collapse, so I'm gonna have to not run so fast.
No, we got a guard. Unless you want us to run with you. Oh, we do? Oh, sorry. Oh, what the heck? Sorry. You good? Sorry. He's in that building right there. He's directly in front of you. Changing. Cover me. Hit. Yeah, let's go. Hey, I'm pushing left. Cover it. Let's go. Hey, are we clear? Watch right. Go. Cover him. Okay. Where? Hey, I gotta move up. You good? Go. Hey, you're good. He's rushing me. Coming through. Hey, let's go. Hey, they're all on the right. He's rushing. Did you get him? Woo, that was close. Where? Changing, cover me, hit! Got him. I got him.
Push.
Yep.
I got you, go.
Okay. Hit! All right, he was in that building.
There's a lot of buildings. Stop. Right here.
Okay, hey, you guys, let's go. You good?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Let's do this. We got somebody right at the end, diagonally shooting, coming from the inside.
Okay.
In the middle. Woo-hoo!
I got him pinned. One at far side. I'm not shooting you, move. Hey, you're good. Watch your right. Front! Contact front! Hey, come across, come across. You good? Changing, changing, changing. You're left, you're left. Hit. Good shot, good shot. Hey, watch middle. Got him. Middle's down. No, I know. Push left, I got this side. Hey, right over top of me, exactly that way. He's on that corner, he's on that corner. He's on that corner, he's on that corner. Hey, coming across. Hey, you good? Oh, jeez. Your gun's down? Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Gun's down. Thank you.
You need a battery?
Yeah, coming out there. Home way, huh?
He's on the right. He's on the right. He's on the right.
Oh, shit.
Hey, how many lights do we have up?
2.
2? Oh, crap. Let's go. Yeah!
Good job, Orange Team. You guys got all 8 switches.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, nice job, man. I didn't know you were rushed. I would have ran with you.
Yeah. I thought I got him, so I was like, charge.
And this is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.